X-ray vision, a comic book fantasy for decades, is becoming a reality at a university lab. Scientists have created software that uses changes in radio signals to recognize human silhouettes through walls and track their movements. They say the technology will help healthcare providers and families keep closer tabs on toddlers and the elderly, and it could be a new tool for law enforcement and the military. The device, marketed by a company called Emerald, will be available in 2017 for between $250 to $300. How IT works. The device transmits wireless signals that travel through the wall and reflect off a person's body back to the device. It begins by scanning the 3D space to capture wireless reflections of objects in the room, including the human body. Since only a subset of body parts reflect the signal back at any given point in time, the device then monitors how these reflections vary as someone moves and walks. It can intelligently stitch the person's reflections across time to reconstruct his silhouette into a single image. Once captured, these reflections are analyzed. To differentiate between people, the team repeatedly tested and trained the device on different subjects, using metrics such as height and shape to create concrete silhouette fingerprints for each person. Think of it just like cameras, except that it's not a camera, said Fadil Adib, a researcher on the Massachusetts Institute of Technology team developing the device. It's a sensor that can monitor people and allow you to control devices just by pointing at them, he said. Work began in 2012 to determine how wireless signals could be used to see what's happening in another room, said Dina Katabi, who directs the MIT Wireless Center. At first we were just interested, can you at all use wireless signals to detect what's happening in occluded spaces, behind a wall, couch, something like that, Katabi said. It turned out that we were able to detect that. And when we figured out we could detect that, we started asking more advanced questions. Could we use it to detect exactly how people are moving in a space if they are behind a wall? The device displays the signal on a screen, where the person's movements can be tracked in real time.